Alright guys, time to get to work. I've been procrastinating. I think my car's been apart for like 4 days, 5 days. Keep getting all the stairs. Like, what is he doing to this thing? So, about to clip this off. See the self-tap screws. Put these on the brackets, all from Home Depot myself. About to self-tap it right down into there. I'm gonna do it right on the other side. Figure out, get this picked up somehow, like zip tie it this way or up, and let's get this done. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, got it on. Oil coolers on the inside as well. I should have recorded, like time-lapsed it, but I didn't. I'm gonna get this side done next. I marked it off, so it should be just 2 easy quick drills. This one, I might bring a hair inside because I think I messed up on the other one, I had it too close. But this one might be perfect, honestly. We're gonna see. I gotta hurry up. Gotta get my son to football practice at 6:15 and it's 5:30. So let me speed this up here.
One eternity.
Everything's done, guys. Got the oil cooler down there in the bottom. Still on my sandwiches, man. The perfect. Got this in. I could have set it up better, but to be honest, these fenders and bumpers getting ready to go. Got to buy some more cheap side markers. Just like the real GTR, those things are like notorious on these cars. Got the other one. This one to me looks whopped as fuck. Not done right. Like, to me it looks like it's not even tight, to be honest. It's tight, but yeah, so definitely gotta work on that, get the other side marker in. But shit, I gotta have my son to practice in 20 minutes, so gotta get up out of here, guys. See you guys later.